Hello friends, welcome to Basic Science. This is Richa Singh. We are going to discuss about acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. Here are some daily life examples of acids and bases. Lemons, oranges, apples, tomato, fats, tamarind. They are acids. And bases are egg white, toothpaste, soaps, and baking soda. On the basis of these examples, we can easily say that the acids are sour in taste. The acids are sour in taste and the bases are bitter in taste. Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. Now we can also say that when an acid combined with base or when an acid react with base, it gives salts and water. When acids react with bases, it gives salt and water. So here we define acid like a substance which has sour taste and bases which has bitter taste. But we can define acids and bases in different terms also, and for that we have to understand ions. What are ions? Ions are charged atom. Charged atom means when an atom release its electron. When an atom release its electron, it convert into cation. An atom release an electron, it convert into cation. Or we can say an atom when accept one or more electron, then it convert into anion. Anion are negative charged and cations are positive charge. Atoms when donate their electron, they becomes positive, and when they accept an electron, they become negative. So ions are nothing but a charged atoms. So for define acids and bases, we can easily say that acids are substance which have hydrogen ion in them. Hydrogen ion, or we can say proton, because hydrogen ion they don't have any electron. So hydrogen ion, for example, hydrochloric acid, HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. They all have hydrogen ion in them. That's why we can call them acid. So HCl is an acid because it has hydrogen ion in it. And if the HCl is dissolved in water, it gives hydronium ion. It dissociates in hydronium ion. Now we can classify acids depending on their sources and depending on their basicity. Here we only discuss about the classification of acids which are depend on their sources. On their basicity, we will describe it in another video. Okay. So depending on their sources, there are two types of acids: organic acid and inorganic acid. Organic acids are acid which we get from the plants, and these are weak acids. Weak acid means they are not able to dissociate into hydronium ion completely. So the examples of weak acids are oxalic acid, which is found in tomato, acetic acid, which is found in vinegar, formic acid, which is found in ant stings. So weak acid are the acid which have carbon atom along with hydrogen atom. You can see here the formula of oxalic acid. It has carbon atom along with hydrogen atom. Acetic acid, carbon atom along with hydrogen atom. Formic acid, carbon atom along with hydrogen atom. So weak acids are the acids which have carbon atom along with hydrogen atom. These are called organic acid. The another type of acids are inorganic acid. Inorganic acids are the type of acid which we can get from minerals. They are strong because they completely dissolve in water and give hydronium ion. They are hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3. So these are the classification of acids on the basis of their sources, from where we get the acids. Now we will discuss about base. What is base? Bases are the substance which have metallic oxide or hydroxide in them. Metallic oxide or hydroxide in them. Copper oxide, sodium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide are the examples of bases. Bases also give salts when react with acid. Copper oxide is here react with hydrochloric acid and giving salt. The same here, it is also giving salt. So bases are the substance which give salt when react with acid. So another question is, what is alkali? Actually, the alkali are base. Alkali are base which dissolve in water. Alkali are bases which dissolve in water. Here we can easily understand that all alkali are bases, but all bases are not alkali, because alkali means the substance, the base which can dissolve in water, but all the bases are not dissolve in water. These are ferric hydroxide and cupric hydroxide. So we can understand that alkali are the bases which can dissolve in water, and all bases are not alkali. Okay, so now we can also classify bases on their we can classify bases into strong acids and strong alkali and weak alkali. Strong alkali are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Strong alkali means when they have a high concentration of hydroxy ion in the water, and weak alkali are when they have low concentration of hydroxy ion in the water. So the examples of weak alkali are ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. So my friends, if you're not able to learn all the formulas, don't be bothered, because when we are practicing a lot and it will take time, after that you will learn all the formulas. Okay, so this is about the acids and bases. In the next video we will see what are indicators and how we can find out acid and base from a solution. Thank you so much, and like and subscribe my video. Thank you.